Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all the participating channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. For tonight's quick and easy meals, I'm going to make the Zatarains Jambalaya. My husband and I love this, and we love making it with sausage and shrimp. I have just put the rice box and the seasoning in this pan with 2.5 cups of water, and I'm going to start stirring it until it comes to a boil. Then I'll put the lid on and I'll simmer it. We'll want to simmer this for about 25 minutes. I have my shrimp here, and I have pre-cooked shrimp, but I'm going to remove the tails and I'm going to heat this in a skillet before I put it in with my rice. When the rice is all done, I'll be able to stir these shrimp in to heat them up. I'm also going to cut up the sausage that I'm going to be including in with my jambalaya rice. My husband and I chose jalapeno cheddar. We love this kind of sausage, and it's great in the jambalaya. I'll get this sausage cut up into some bite-sized pieces. I like to cook it in a skillet and get it nice and hot. I like to get the outsides a little bit seared with that nice little blackened chard on the outside of the sausage. It gives it such a really nice grilled effect on the outside, as if it's been on the barbecue grill. I put my sausage in a big skillet, and I'm going to cook it in here so it gives this really nice coloring on the other side. It kind of caramelizes the outside of the sausage and makes it extra flavorful and tasty. My rice came to a boil, so I stirred it and put the lid on and turned it down to low. I'll let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. I've added the shrimp in with the sausage. Since the shrimp is pre-cooked, I'm just adding it in to heat it up and get some of that really good flavoring, that caramelization and that good flavoring that's on the sausage and in my pan. This way everything will be heated up together when it's time to mix it in with the rice. Our jambalaya rice is all done. It didn't take any time at all, only about a half an hour to put this together. I'm going to stir it up, and as you can see, it's nice and light and fluffy. It smells so good. And now it's time to mix in the sausage and the shrimp. And here's how our Zatarains Jambalaya turned out. It is so delicious. We love making this. And as you can see, we have the wonderful sausage and shrimp. I put the rice right in the pan, the same one that I sauteed the sausage and shrimp in, because it had really good sausage flavors in the bottom of the skillet. So now the rice will pick up that wonderful, delicious flavor. And it's ready to serve. I'm so happy you were here. I had such a great time putting this recipe together to share. I would be so happy if you check out the other channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.